Multi-port valve. After installing a new multi-port valve spider gasket, the pool heater won't fire. Any ideas?
Well, the multi-port valve is a pretty, that spider gasket can only go in one way, whether you had to clip off one of those wings or not. Unless when you put the valve back on and bolted it down, you put it on backwards, there's always that possibility. And now what's happening is you're not getting flow properly through the filter itself, which then would not allow the heater to fire. That's the only thing that I could think of. There should be no correlation between the spider gasket itself and the heater, but if when you took that valve off and if you put it back on in the wrong position, you could be getting diverting water in the wrong direction and never getting it properly through the heater itself. But likely, my thought would be they're two totally independent scenarios and they just coincidentally happen at the same time.